Welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the simple yet essential skill of resizing your document in Canva. Whether you're using Canva Pro or the free version, we've got you covered. If you're a Canva Pro user, the process is super simple. The resize option is right up here, allowing you to type in your new dimensions, and Canva will handle the rest for you. It's seamless and hassle-free. But for those of you using the free version, we've got a simple workaround just for you. Head to the File tab, select Create a New Design. Enter your desired dimensions. For instance, let's go with 8 by 10 inches. Now, you'll find yourself with a blank canvas at your new size, alongside your original design. If you wish to transfer everything to the new canvas, here's how. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the elements in your original design. Copy them with Ctrl+C. Move to the New Canvas tab. Paste the elements with Ctrl+V. Adjust and center them as needed. And just like that, your document is resized to your liking. It's a handy skill to have in your Canva toolkit, whether you're on the free or pro version. Happy designing, and thanks for joining us. Remember to stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.